Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So as you can see by the title of this video, today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 8 Plus. So this is how it looks, and this is 256 gigabytes and it's in the colour space grey, and this is how the box looks. As you can see on the side, it just says iPhone and it doesn't say 8 Plus or doesn't say the number, it just says iPhone. So let's unbox it. So it just says designed by Apple, and it just has the plastic covering, and then you see the iPhone 8 Plus, and this is how it looks. It's just space grey, and this is how it looks. It's a really nice colour and it's brand new. And then with the phone comes with a plug socket charger, and it comes with the headphones and an adapter, because as you know, the iPhone 8 doesn't have the normal headphone adapter. It goes into the charger here, and it comes with the adapter and headphones, and then it comes with a lightning cable too. So that's what comes with the iPhone 8. Overall, the iPhone 8 looks absolutely amazing. As you can see, it looks so beautiful, and this is how it looks. The main trouble is that you have to have an adapter to have your headphones, otherwise you can't have headphones unless you get the wireless pods, which are quite expensive. So the website for Apple will be linked down below. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and turn on post notifications to get notified every time we upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.